Ma'am, the 11th question was right.
Yes, 11th question was right, and yeah, the answer was tick wrong. So I corrected manually and I gave the marks. Right?
Ma'am,
Yes.
So I get 15 out of
ma'am,
15 na.
Yes. So you got 14, Shivan.
Okay.
ma'am,
I
Kush
get
Kapadia.
I already updated your marks. You can please see your view scores.
Okay.
Yes, Kush Kaparia.
Ma'am, my marks.
Please check your view scores. You can see your scores. Updated scores are there. You can able to see it, right? Answers are checked manually also. So I updated the marks and now you can check. So once again, good morning to all of you.
Ma'am, your
Good
camera
morning,
is
ma'am.
off. Ma'am,
My my camera is off.
my mark sheet is not updated. I had the same amount of.
So means your answer was wrong. Make that.
What was the correct answer? Ma'am. Of 11?
11. It was 24 centimeter.
I mean, 28, the outdoor is 28.
No, wrong. 24 is the answer. Got it? We had checked yesterday. That time when we were checking the answer, you left the meeting. Migdad, you know that? When we were checking the answers yesterday, you left the meeting. And
Ma'am,
as
I
I
thought you said
informed you,
that we will do tomorrow.
no, I informed that time also, please do not leave the class. I will explain. When I explained the answer, when I have shown to the students, that time you were not there in the class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. So, children, as this is our last class of this session today, so today we will do some quizzes based on the topics which we have already covered. Almost all the topics we have covered in our past revision classes also. Maybe if one or two topics, if you don't know from the quiz, leave the question or you can apply your method and do it. Okay, I have tried to select the quizzes based on the topics which we have covered. But in case if we have not covered any of the topic and if you have any idea about the topic, then you do it about yourself or either you leave it. Okay. Don't say that, ma'am, this question is not done, this we have done or not done. We are not going to discuss this. I have tried to take the quiz based on the topics which we have already covered. Make that mute yourself, please. Make that. I request you to mute your mic. Yes. So we start. There are 2-3 quizzes are there. As soon as you finish your one quiz, I'll upload the next link. So please try to be quick. Right. So I'm going to paste the link of first quiz. Link is pasted in the chat box. Link is pasted in the chat box. Please enter fast.
Ma'am, can you please send the link one more time because I left my.
Yes, yes, I will send.
And should we press start?
No, let everyone join. I can see there are 20 students only, those who have joined. Please join fast. Children, I request you to join fast.
May I go to washroom?
Please go. Please. "24 students only entered. There are 32 students present in the class. Please enter fast because once I put the start button, then you will not able to enter in the quiz."
Ma'am,
Yes.
actually, I think that
Ma'am, can you start it?
when
Yes.
actually when we start the link, so we have to press start to enter. If we don't press start, we don't enter. From
So
our
yeah, please enter and start. I will now I'm starting. I'm going to start it now. 1, 2, 3, start. Yes.
There was a network problem. Call automatically leave from
Meet, I'm sending you the link. You please see the code. See this code and join. With the code, this one code 191,086.
Ma'am, can you show the leaderboard?
Wait, I'll send you the link in the chat box.
Ma'am, I is done. Ma'am, I is done.
Okay, I will check. I'll give you 2-3 minutes more time.
Can you
Yes,
see my flower?
later on, man, later on. Which child is this? Which child? Please enter with your name whenever you enter in the quiz.
Ma'am, I am not this.
Who is this one? D, 8, D. Who is this one? Please, children, next time you enter with your name.
Mama, please check my ID card. I have not checked. Yeah, Mama.
Mama, that's not
Do fast. I'm going to stop this now. Fast. Give you 1 more minute time.
Rajoria, have you said? Don't play with your that thing.
At 11:14, I will stop this.
Ma'am, it's 11:14.
Yes. I'm going to stop this.
Ma'am, it is
One.
11:14.
1, 2, and the last is 3. Who is this first? I don't know the name of this child. My dear children, who was this first one? May I know who was the Kevna? Kevna, stop crying. I think you joined. Kevna, I'll talk to you later, right? Wait a minute. My dear children, you tell me who was this child?
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
Yes, ma'am.
खेवना का भी जो अपने क्विज कंपटीशन हुआ ना क्विज जो आपने किया उसमें वो रैंक उसमें फर्स्ट दिखा रहा था लेकिन अभी उसमें दिखा ही नहीं रहा ऐसा क्यों
मैम वो सब कंप्यूटराइज्ड है, जब सब इसी ने ही सेलेक्ट किया है.
ओके क्योंकि वो अभी तो उसमें फर्स्ट दिखाए थे रैंक के 34 में से वो फर्स्ट आई है
ओके, खेवना ने अच्छा किया था. हो सकता है लास्ट मोमेंट पे किसी बच्चे ने जंप अप कर लिया हो.
ओके मैम
ओके.
Kevna, at least when you are talking with your teacher, beta, have respect. Stop eating. These are not good manners, Kevna. You are a
No.
good girl.
Ma'am,
Please
she was
stop.
not eating, she was crying actually.
But now, just now, yes, that I saw. Then her mother told you.
Yes,
But then
yes.
don't eat, beta, in front of everybody.
Now, listen, may I know who was that child who has written the name A tag something? You don't want to disclose yourself? The child who came first? My dear children, you don't want to disclose yourself who was the first winner?
Hidden personality. Don't want to disclose.
Second was Riva, third was Lamha, and I know the child who came first. Please tell me your name. Some another person has come and entered in our quiz from outside.
Ma'am, if you made a quiz now only, so ma'am, when they enter math, so it first will come, so someone is enter from outside.
No. Someone will not, and no one will enter out from outside. If I post the link here only in the class, only the class person only will be able to enter.
Ma'am, unknown person.
Okay. Now, please, I request everyone to write your full name.
Ma'am, I was second, right?
Yes, Riva second and Lamha third. So now I'm going to paste the link of another quiz. Please write your full name means only your, like is Samriddhi, so she need to write full Samriddhi, not Sam only. Am I clear?
By mistake it gone.
So yes,
Okay.
I'm going to take the another quiz now. Be ready. I'm going to paste the link in the classroom. No, not in the here in the chat box. Please, link is pasted in the chat box. Please start entering. Write your name. I don't want any code numbers, any code names. No.
Ma'am, we have sent on 11:17.
What 11:17?
11:17 clock, ma'am.
Yes, I have sent the link. I have posted again. Please enter fast. The 35 students, I want all 35 to be entered in the, there are only 23 children entered. Then after that you will say, ma'am, can you please post the link again? Can you, how do I enter in this now? Please stop doing this. Enter on time.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, my language is changed. I don't know. So, ma'am, how do I change my language
In
into English?
computers.
Yes,
In
ma'am.
your desktop. Just take the help of your parents, maybe. My dear, I don't have any idea about this.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, only
Which
in
you
the
have
quiz.
sent this link right now at 11:17. That is another link.
Yeah, this is
Of quiz?
another, yes, this is another link.
Ma'am, only in the quiz only.
In quiz only your language has changed.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, we will see. When you enter in this, maybe it will come. Vivan, if you write your name like this, I will not accept your name in this way. It's Ronald Vivan. What is this? Should I remove you now? Only 29 students have entered. There are 35 students, 36 more to enter.
Ma'am, can you
Included.
send the link again, please?
Where were you? Where were you, Ayansh? Where were you?
रेनू मैम
Yes, ma'am.
एक बार लिंक भेजिए, मुझसे गलती से निकल गई है.
मैम भेज दी मैंने.
थैंक यू मैम.
Now I'm going to start. Please enter fast. Ayansh, you received?
मैम रिया
Ma'am,
का ऑप्शन आ रहा है बार
वो
बार.
मैं लीव हो गया था ना तो रिया टाइम आएगा ना
तो फिर करो तो सही ना.
ma'am, I have done the language
Ayansh,
into English.
write your full name now. You write your full name now.
Okay, Rudra.
निकालो तो सही, उसका लिंक तो निकालो.
Please mute yourself. Okay, I'm going to start it now. Still there are 3-4 students to enter in the quiz.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Oh, 1 minute. I'm joining.
Okay, I'm going to start it now. Wait, let me. Jahan Jariwala. Link is pasted. Please enter fast. I'm going to present my screen. Jahan. Jahan, you entered in the quiz. Okay, I'll start now.
Yes, ma'am, I did.
87.92. Decimal after decimal, how we read them?
Man, in my laptop I do the quiz, but it is showing that it is only one, nothing there.
You need to write the answer in that blank. You need to write the answer in that blank.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Yes.
Ma'am, is there more quiz?
Yes, one more quiz is there. What Dhyan and Lakshya are doing?
And I do my quiz, but it show only one question, not other question.
Why it is like this, my dear? You need to click on the next then.
Click
My dear, let me talk with the other students. Children, you also facing the same thing?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Can you please guide?
No, ma'am.
Vihan, can you please guide Laksha how to do it?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first we have to write the answer in the blank, and we can click on next also on or the enter button on the keypad.
You got it, Lakshya?
Ma'am, I am on in mobile.
So, ma'am, so you can click on the next button.
Next button is given near to the question down.
You can send link again because
You will not able to enter in this now. And after 1 minute, I'll end this quiz. Because there is one more quiz to do.
Ma'am, can you show the leaderboard?
Yes.
ma'am, the button is submit.
Yash Desai, Anya Mittal, then Vihan. Anya Mittal also doing. Mittal, Anya, you are there, no? This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Doing good, great. Vihan, then Jahan Jariwala, then Rudra Mangokia, Rudra Master, Khush Ahuja, Ayan Jain, Riddhi, Lamha, Riva, Migdad, Ekansh, Rudra Jajaria, Ayush, Dhairya, Khush. Children, you can see your scores now and judge then on you are on which level and how much you have to cover to come on the first. Kevna has stopped doing. Kevna, please.
Ma'am, 1 minute is got over. Can you?
Yes, yes. I know, Vihan. I'll give them one more chance to do. Please do it fast, children, please.
Ma'am, we have only 10 minutes to do.
Ma'am,
Yes.
done.
Okay, I stop now. 1, 2, 3, stop. First is Yash Desai, second is Anya Mittal, third is Vihan. Congratulations to the winners. Now, before going to the third quiz, I want to announce that you all are aware that your PTM is on which dates?
Yes, ma'am. 25 and 26.
We have allotted 2 days. Some students, mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
No one will,
PTM.
no one will speak now. I will say you have to listen. It's an offline PTM in school. Some students got slot on 25th March and some got for the 26th March, right? I am going to post again the final list today in the classroom. Check your name, check your date, check your slot timings, and according to the timings, you have to visit to the school. If you visit before the timings, then also they will not allow you to enter in the school because they are going to check at the gate that what is your slot timings. Everything is to be given to them.
But ma'am,
Yes.
if we reach just 1 minute early, then also they will not.
Anna, I'm not talking about this much time, right? So they will check your slot timings. They will check your date at the gate. And please, it's a request. Only one person has to come to attend the PTM. Because as you all know, the coronavirus is going on these days.
Ma'am, 2%.
Ma'am, I have
Maximum
2 IDs.
maximum 2 persons are allowed, but try to come 1 person only. Students are only allowed when there is extreme or necessary to come, then only. some special cases, otherwise students are not allowed. When there is a special case or there is a right extremely you want to discuss something, then you only have to come, otherwise students are not allowed. Please be safe, stay at home, right? And the next is see your timings, see your slots, and according to the timings and slot, visit to the school.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, when we will get the next year PTM?
Next year PTM.
No, ma'am, not next year timetable.
In the PTM only. We will let you know, right? Everything. All the points related to the next year also will be discussed in the PTM.
Ma'am, I want to say something.
Yes, Vedi.
The students come. Students.
What? No. Students only come when there is necessary to come. बहुत जरूरत है, काम है, कुछ discuss करना है, तभी students. Otherwise, students are not allowed to come to school. Even only one parent is allowed to come to school.
Okay.
I'm going to paste the link of the third quiz. This is the last quiz.
Ma'am, I will come because we have to go at Monday at Thursday, and it is.
I say when there is necessary, when there is extreme case, then only you will enter. Come. Children, I'm going to start the quiz now. Please enter fast.
Ma'am, today are only 46.
Yes. Today is your last working day of this session. From tomorrow, you have till 31st March, you have your holidays. And then 1st April, we will begin your next session or the next classes, right?
Ma'am, how many holidays are?
You count till 31st.
8 days.
Okay, can I start now? Who is saying send the link?
Ma'am, Yash.
Link is pasted. Enter fast. Enter fast, my dear children, please. I'm going to start the quiz now.
Ma'am, should we start?
Today is what?
Should we start?
Yes, I will also start from here, then you only able to start. Children, I'm going to start now.
Wait, ma'am. Ma'am, a second.
Ma'am, 1, 2,
3, start.
No, not here.
Resend.
Not starting
Resend the link.
also.
Ma'am,
My
can you
dear.
once resend the link?
I will resend now. You try whether you're able to enter or not because I have already started. I'm going to present my screen. You can enter with the code with your another name. Code is there on the screen. Please check.
Okay. 73911. 73971.
Lakshya, please mute your mic. Children, when you see this question, if I see this 10 have done corrected, 2 incorrect, means the child who has done this incorrect, the child doesn't know what the time is here. Please check the question properly and then attempt. Don't think it's simply a quiz.
And now also is not starting. Ma'am, I got all right.
Okay. Lakshya, you take help from someone at home, please. Vedi, why you are sitting? Do something, my dear. You are just simply sitting in the class.
Ma'am, I am doing.
मैम खत्म हो गया.
Speak in English.
मैम डन.
We will wait 1 or 2 minutes, then I'll end the quiz. Because you have your music class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Do it fast. There are only simply 10 questions also there, and they are also too simple. Easy also.
Ma'am, the quiz is done.
Wait for your name to be announced if there is in top 10 or top 3.
I'm not there. I know.
Migdad, Vihan, Rudra Master. Lamha is the 4th. Riva, Anya Mittal, Vivan Patel, Parinika, Riddhi, they are in the top 10. Anna, Man. There you see, please check your score on 19th.
Yeah.
And can we leave for music class?
Yes. Those who have done, they completed, they please leave. Thank you, Swati ma'am.
Ma'am, can you end the quiz?
Wait, I will
Okay, ma'am. Bye, friends.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, my friends.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. I'm going to end the quiz now.
Bye,
1,
ma'am.
2, 3, stop. Migdad, Vihan, and Rudra Master. Congratulations to the winners.
Ma'am, the names are not coming in the top 10.
No, top 10 are not coming.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes, some quizzes are of different levels. So they
Bye, ma'am.
wait a minute, my dear children. Some quizzes they declare top 10, some quizzes they don't declare, right? Bye. All the best for your next session. Thank you for your last class. Thank you, children. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Meet you on
Bye, ma'am. Bye.